for Basic Science at Starbase Hill, and today I'm going to be dehydrating some sucrose or table sugar. The formula for sucrose is C12H22O11. Well, notice that is carbon, is what the C stands for. The other part, the H and the O, is there's 2 times as much hydrogen as there is oxygen, so that's basically water. If I use sulfuric acid, that looks like water, but it's just acid, battery acid, and mix those, it'll take all of the water out and leave just carbon. What does carbon look like? In a natural form, carbon appears as coal. It appears as graphite. That's the tip of a pencil. Pencil's not made of lead, it's graphite. And if it's compressed, it can turn into diamonds also. I don't have a diamond to show you. But let's take a look and see what happens if we mix these two together. Okay, if I mix this together, okay, I'm going to get this stirred up. Okay, you see I've got white liquid, white powder down the bottom. It's starting to dehydrate and turning red. Today is a warm day. Okay, now it's turning kind of a brownish color. Okay, it's bubbling. It's changed from 28 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius. Okay, it's bubbling, percolating a little bit there. Okay. Okay, you can see that starting to change in volume. It's starting to get larger, increasing, moving up. It's now bubbling. Got sulfuric acid bubbling at the top of it. Okay, and I got some water vapors coming out. This is getting very, very tall. And this is now kind of like charcoal, kind of like coal. This is now just carbon, pure carbon from that sugar, okay, from white to black. Now this is very, very warm, okay, it's boiling. Okay, we're at 119 degrees Celsius. That's over the boiling point of water. So the water is boiling off. I don't do this indoors because it smells bad, and I get a lot of the sulfuric acid in my face as well. Okay, is this solid like charcoal? It's not. Let me rinse it off, and I'll show you how less dense it is. It'll fall down right there. Okay, I'll pick this up with the tongs. It's still pretty warm. Put it into this jar. A little bit of water on there. Cool it down. Okay, it's not going to dissolve. All right. Okay, but again, if I squeeze this charcoal, it's not going anywhere. It's very, very tough. Okay, this stuff, on the other hand, it just smashes apart. It's very, very non-dense. Okay, but again, we have pure carbon left over after the water's come out of sugar. So is that a physical change or a chemical change? I got a brand new thing that wasn't here before, a new substance. It let off heat. It let off carbon dioxide, or rather let off the water vapor, and so those are examples of a chemical change. And so this is a chemical change, changing now back to pure carbon, which is one of our elements.